the big question: why digital? What drivers made you think we need digital in independent too?
Right. Well, like I said, we want to thank our customers, the market, for really taking our business where we all want it to go. And it's more performance. So it's more print, it's more variable print, meaning not per item per se, but per season or per week, per release, and so on. It's more print, more performance, the ability to be more responsive in your packaging.
Yeah.
But we have to handle that market demand, that great market opportunity. We've got to handle it currently in a very traditional way. So it's very physical. For everything you want, we have to have a physical match to it, a physical reaction. So it's print plates, it's pre-press time, it's ink setup, it's ink wash up, it's setups through the machine, it's work in process. It's a very physical reactive relationship to the more you want, the more we have to handle. Frankly, with the size of our overall portfolio and with our growth goals, what we need to do is find a way to better manage all of that complexity so that we deliver performance to our customers when they want it.
Mm-hmm.
That's the heart, that's the soul of the X630i investment that we're making with Domino. It is a machine that can take, by nature, a lot of our everyday work, and we believe can convert it successfully and dynamically and with operational savings. So
Okay.
that is what we're driving at.
So it's to serve your customers better, but
Absolutely.
also to improve the efficiencies within the organization. Absolutely.
We really, the neat thing we're doing, Sean, is looking at as a 50-50 proposition. 50% on some dynamic and appreciable internal operational savings, and absolutely the obvious 50% gain on that expanded amount of performance that you can deliver to the market.
Okay.